Alright, so you can see a painting is in progress. So I'm just drawing right now. It's a people at the road in a forest. I'm putting few strokes here. For the roadside, just putting here. Okay. Alright, so for you can see all these drawings. These are being maybe connected. So let's put the branches of the trees so that we can show the tree lines. So that's I'm going to do. Okay, going to put the bigger branches to show the connections of the trees, and it's going to be the really dark color. mm-hmm. Okay, so the trees just ends up in these bushes. Okay, you can see a few bushes and branches are visible like this. Okay, all right. Another tree is on the other side, just starting from here. Okay, so you see we're going to put some strokes of the black color. mm-hmm. To the other trees. Okay, some other trees are also visible, but those are not prominent. Some trees you can see here, because of the perspective the trees are not clear, and sometimes you can see the trees which are in a far distance, those are like smaller. mm-hmm. And the trees which are near at us, those are little bigger. Okay, all right, so you can see the top, some trees are visible here. mm-hmm. And also now we're going to draw the tree on this side, putting a bigger one. mm-hmm. Okay, so the bigger one is going up here. All right, the branch is one to the right wings, another one is going to the left wings. Okay, some other trees you can see with the parallel lines. Awesome. Because of the branches, we're going to see some extensions to the height of the topmost positions. You can see the height. All right. And maybe a few branches at the bottom, just to emphasize the bottom of the trees. Just we're putting few bushes and the tree and the grasses. You can see at the bottom of the each branch of the trees. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, and we're going to put few dots in the ground to show the visual uh, coherence with all the surroundings, because sometimes some parts of the trees are maybe getting darker because of the shades and the shadow. Mm-hmm. All right, so both side it's going to be some places, the darker places. Okay, so this is the drawing. You can see the people walking, and if I have a closer outlook, all right, let's see. You can see, all right, in a jungle road, the person is walking to the uh, forward direction, and it's like a so much springtime, so much colorful, and that's why it looks good. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon sound to get updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.